Hey everyone, I hope that you all are having an amazing day. So today we are doing a tour of all of my garden's green stalks. So today we're going to start with the strawberry one. We have some peppers and there's some damage on my peppers. So I'm going to have to spray them with some neem oil and figure out where the problem is coming from. We do not want to damage our peppers, but we do have peppers on the plant. We have some marjoram that I put out there. I have more peppers as well down here. I have some empty pockets, but that's okay. But we have some flowers that I planted, more peppers. I believe that is zinnias, but I'm not quite sure. Then we have, of course, more pepper plants. I have more tomatoes. Those are empty pockets. I'm thinking about putting watermelons in those, but I'm not sure yet. Then over here on this green stalk, I filled it with green beans on the bottom two tiers. On the top two tiers, I have more zinnias. And then, again, those are green beans that have not come in yet. And then I placed an onion there. Here on this blueberry green stalk, I took it apart and I placed some celery. My celery was before flopped over, but now after watering down all my green stalks and the air cooling off, it is now standing back up erect. So I'm pretty happy about that. But I'm thinking that I'm going to need to either switch the tiers up so that the celery is towards the middle or the bottom, or I'm going to have to put a shade cloth. And then I just have some peppers down there. Which that's one of the reasons why I'm thinking I'm going to have to switch my tiers up. I have green beans all through there. I have another, I don't know if that's celery or parsley growing, because they look so familiar. I know that's parsley by the stalk, but I'm not sure about the other one. And so, but that is just, I have some herbs all throughout there. I also have peppers and tomatoes as well in that green stalk. So I'm super happy about this green stalk. Here on my raspberry strawberry mix, we have some peppers. I have some dahlias. I think that dahlia is so pretty, the contrast. And I have more zinnias out there, more peppers. I have some rosemary, and then that is chamomile. And so, but I did put some green beans throughout that one as well. And that one's it. So then this lavender green stalk is a mixture of all peppers at the top. And then I just float in some tomatoes, different types of container tomatoes, as well as this one I believe is celery. The stalk is thicker, so I do believe that is celery, because I did plant some celery and I used the soil over because I feel like it wasn't doing anything. And that's what happens when you recycle soil. You end up getting plants that you didn't know you had. So, but I have more peppers. I have basil down there. That's my only watermelon. That is a yellow doll watermelon. And I'm happy about that. So if I can get at least 2 watermelons off of that flower, I will be so happy if it survives. So and then we just have peppers throughout. We have more basil, tomatoes. I have another dahlia on that one. And then I just threw some onions in there after I took my lettuce out. So I have quite a bit growing. That is a really good mixture in this particular green stalk. And I'm definitely happy about the mixture that I put in here. And again, more parsley. So this green stalk looks really good and it's thriving, and so I'm really happy about that. So this green stalk, as you know, only onions. These are all onions on this green stalk. All of these came from Dixondale Farm, and that's what's all in this particular green stalk. This is my first ever green stalk, and I have onions at the top. These are a mixture of Haas onions and Dixondale Farm onions. I have this one strawberry plant here that is starting to thrive, but I need to put one of my strawberry cups there to try to root it. I did find a root in here. I did decide to clean it out a little bit because I didn't realize there was some dead leafing. But this one is just, I'm going to take it out of here because this pot is too small for it. So once I get ready to redo my soil, see, I found a root there. But once I get ready to redo this entire this entire green stalk, I'm going to take that out. So this is the top portion of my blueberry green stalk, and this has peppers, onions, tomatoes. I have some dill herbs. I have some thyme, and I think I have some parsley in here. So this is a really good mixture. No, I think that's a celery plant. I'm telling y'all, celery and parsley are so close together when they're small. So this is a very good mixture too of plants that I put in there. But this one again is going to have to get moved because it's not in the best area for what I need for the sun, and it's getting shaded. I just wanted to show y'all my corn, and I also wanted to show y'all, if you take one of these and pop it off, then you can pollinate yourself. And I do hand pollinate quite a bit. So that's all I want to show y'all. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in the next video.